Hello, my name is Emma and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I want you to practice speaking English with me. The only way to improve your English is to speak. It's not always easy to find someone to practice speaking with. So that's why I decided to create this channel, to help people practice speaking English. Today's topic will be two friends talking about future plans. So if you're ready, let's start. Where do you see yourself in 5 years? I'd love to start my own business one day. Yeah, I've been thinking about something related to online education. Exactly. I think there's a huge demand for that now. Right? I feel like it's a flexible way to gain skills. Maybe English or business skills. Something practical. Not really, just brainstorming for now. Yeah, I don't want to rush into it. Exactly. What about your travel plans? That sounds amazing. Have you been before? What's drawing you to Japan? I totally get that. I'd love to go too. That would be fun. When are you thinking of going? That's a perfect time to go. Yeah, I've seen pictures. It looks magical. Travel can be expensive, but it's worth it. Same, better to spend money on experiences. I'd like to move to a new city. Maybe London or New York. Somewhere exciting. Yeah, but I love the energy of big cities. Exactly, it keeps life interesting. I know, but I'm ready for it. Yeah, I feel like I need a fresh start. Exactly, a bit scary, but exciting. True, what about you? Would you ever move? That's fair, stability is nice too. That's true, life is very unpredictable. Yeah, and take the opportunities when they come. I want to improve my fitness. Yeah, I just started last month. It's tough, but I'm getting stronger. Yeah, and it's a great stress reliever too. Exactly. What about you? Any short-term goals? Oh, cool. Which one? Yeah, that's a useful language to know. Have you started learning yet? That's a good way to start. Maybe find a language partner. You'll pick it up quickly if you practice. That's the key to learning anything. Exactly, step by step. Yeah, I can't wait to see what happens. So we are finished. Well done for practicing your English. I really hope you found this style of video useful. Please make sure to subscribe. I will be uploading new videos every week so that you can practice your English. Thank you so much, and I will see you in the next video.